Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down my trade today taken during the PM session of the US 500 index market. We're going to be going over this trade from top to bottom, going over, of course, the higher time frame confluences, and then moving into the lower time frame confluences as well. If you guys do have any questions, as always, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I will get to them as soon as possible. For those wondering, yes, the mentorship program is back open, and yes, the index trading course is available to all mentorship students. Feel free to stay tuned for a small mentorship commercial pretty shortly that will break down to you guys exactly what is included within the new mentorship program, what you guys can expect, and how you all can take advantage. If you guys would like to join in on the Telegram channel, feel free to hit the link in the description. Join in on the Telegram community. We always have a good time. I will be sending not only US 500 and NASDAQ 100 day trades, but we will also be talking about currency as relates to the higher time frame to give you guys somewhat of an edge within the Forex markets as well. Along with that, we will also be giving away our Forex day trading guide within the Telegram community. So if you would like to have access to my day trading guide that was sold for a small period of time after I did my previous masterclass and are pretty much only available to masterclass students, feel free to join in on the Telegram community if you would like to have access to that as well. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so starting on the higher time frame this morning during our live trading session, not much took place. We were looking for slight buy positions off of this region here. As we can see, that did take place. However, 12 o'clock ended here, and after 12 we don't normally take a position. So our position was actually tagged. Our entry was right around this area on the lower time frame, but as you guys can see, it took place at around 12:15, right? And we're out of the market by 12, and we usually don't take a position between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. But once 1 p.m. hits, then we are good to go, and we look for either continuation moves or reversals. This morning, after we had this push to the upside and 12 o'clock came, we settled down just a little bit, we accumulated, and then we ran above this high that was created at the 12 o'clock candle that you guys can see here. That created our buy side liquidity that we took advantage of during the PM session. Now, everyone on the live trading call, all of my mentorship students, all the way from Asia to Europe to, we had someone in the call from Canada this morning. We had someone in the call from Jamaica this morning, the Dominican Republic. All of you guys had access and knew exactly what I was going to do during the PM session. So during the PM session, I told you guys that if we saw buy side liquidity being swept, I would look for sells. However, if we saw sell side liquidity being swept, then I would look for buys. As you guys can see here, if we just remove this line denoting 12 o'clock, which is right here. So you guys can see we have buy side liquidity here during the PM session, which starts at 1300. We see that price pushes to the upside to sweep that buy side liquidity right here, right? Once that buy side liquidity was swept, that gave us all the information we needed to know to go on the lower time frames and start to look for a possible transition or a possible entry opportunity based on this buy side sweep of liquidity. Do keep in mind that whenever you sweep buy side liquidity, your target is going to be sell side. Whenever you sweep sell side liquidity, your target is going to be buy side. So in this case here, once we had swept our buy side liquidity, which is here, okay, we knew that we were going to target sell side liquidity if price gave us a valid entry opportunity on our entry time frames, which we're going to go over in just a second. But before we go over that, I want to go ahead and denote where are we looking to target. So the first area that we would be looking to possibly target would be this swing low here. We know that we have sell side liquidity here. We can see that price pushes to the downside. We create a swing low, and then price pushes to the upside very quickly after that with momentum. So this would be one opportunity to exit the market. If we continue to push left and down, we can see that we have another swing low opportunity here. We know that there's sell side liquidity resting below this swing low. And then we also have my target, which is right here. Stay tuned to the end of the video to understand why My target is down here around 20 handles for about 3.58% return on investment. So now that we understand what's going on the higher time frame during the PM session, let's go over what exactly took place with our entry. See you guys on the lower time frame. All right, guys. So before we get into the breakdown of the US 500 market, what I want to show you guys is Mac Trading Academy's mentorship program. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey Mac, how do I gain access to the course? What's all inside of the course and what is included within the mentorship program? So what I'm going to do now is essentially take you guys to the membership portal and show you guys a little bit on what you can expect being a part of Mac Trading Academy. So if we head over to the membership portal, all right, as you guys can see, I'm signed in, Mac the Trader. You guys will gain access to everything, okay, including all of the courses. But first, let's start off with the home. So home, I essentially in this video break down exactly what is included within the mentorship program. You guys will gain access to my trade analysis. So any position that I take within the market is going to be analyzed for you guys and uploaded here for you all to go and study, rewatch, backtest, things of that nature. You guys will be able to sign up for live trading with myself and my team. You guys can also sign up for personalized one-on-one mentorship sessions, as well as within this mentorship tab, you will be able to sign up for our Monday night webinar, our Wednesday webinar, and any other webinars that we have throughout the week. We have at least 2 webinars throughout the week, and we also update you guys with live trading and things like that. So total, you guys have about 5 to 6 webinars every single week if you include the live trading. All right, all webinars are recorded and uploaded here for you all to rewatch at your leisure. You will gain access to our intro trading course, intermediate trading course, and our advanced trading course, as well as the big dog, the index trading course, right? So what is the index trading course? This is an advanced index trading course that is designed for traders who want to take their skill to the professional level within the index market. This course covers advanced topics such as index confluences, risk management, and profitable trading models. Students will learn how to identify profitable opportunities within the market and develop a personalized index trading strategy based on the vetted confluences that are taught within this course, right? This course includes interactive lectures, case studies, and hands-on experiences to help students like you apply their knowledge to real live trading situations. By the end of this course, students will have a deep understanding of the index trading markets, as well as you will understand how to make informed and profitable trading decisions. This course is suitable for traders who want to improve their trading skills and gain a competitive edge within the trading markets. So whether you're someone and you want to take advantage of the US 500 market, the NASDAQ 100 market, or even, yes, the big dog US 30, this index trading course is going to teach you exactly how to do that, right? Everything that you guys see me do on US 500 can easily be copied and pasted over to US 30. Now, if you're interested in this, what I want you to do is click the link in the description, head over to Mac Trading Academy, and take advantage of this phenomenal trading opportunity. If you guys have any questions at all, drop them down in the comments below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the breakdown. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick commercial. Now let's go ahead and get into our entry reasoning on the lower time frame, why we entered the market, what's going on, what do we see, and what could have been done. So as you guys can see here, this was our buyout opportunity. This was actually based on the M2 time frame, but you guys can see that our entry took place between the hours that I do not trade, which is 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. However, we can see that we still target the buy side liquidity that was resting here. So if you were to have entered the market here, you could have easily targeted this swing high right here, and you would have been good to go. Now, those of you guys who were on live trading this morning, right, you guys know that this was already marked up. We were looking for price to tap back into this area and then run to the upside to sweep buy side liquidity. Once again, as you guys can see, that's exactly what took place. This entry opportunity was taken on the M2 time frame this morning. Live, we had this marked up. I went over my reasoning based on the higher time frame. I went over my reasoning based on the lower time frame, and everyone who was on live trading was able to see me apply course information live. And as you guys can see, it still works out, but we still have to follow our rules of not trading in between the hours of 12 and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let's go ahead and go back to the M5 time frame and get into our actual entry for the PM session. So this was our buy side sweep of liquidity based on the M15 time frame. Once we did sweep buy side liquidity, I was simply just waiting on a shift in momentum as well as some type of inefficient pricing or imbalance to be offered. That shift in momentum took place once we saw this nice bearish candle push to the downside. And remember guys, these are all very, very specific rules. None of these rules are on accident and none of these rules are random, right? This is all a well-oiled, well-working strategy that we apply to the markets every single morning. If you would like to take advantage of live trading, all you got to do is join the mentorship program. That is the only place that I offer live trading. We do not offer any more private one-on-one trading sessions because my focus is on my mentorship students. So for everyone offering to give $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for a one-on-one live trading session, feel free to just join the mentorship program for $53 and you get to trade with me live. And that's more money in you all's pocket as well. So let's go ahead and go over this entry model right here. We can see that price came back to this inefficient pricing that was offered. This is where I took my entry. We can see that we had a pretty tight stop around 5.7 handles. Not bad at all. All right, if you wanted to take the order block entry, that entry opportunity was here based on my specific confluences on how I trade order blocks. And as you guys can see, you could have increased your return on investment drastically as well as decrease your risk. However, this is my entry right here. I was very comfortable taking the entry based on the inefficient pricing that was offered. Stop loss right above this swing high here. Right? And then we're just simply looking to target our sell side liquidity based on the M15 since we have swept buy side here and price gave us a valid reaction and valid entry. So let's go ahead and go over those targets. So we have one target, which is here, right? But as you guys can see, that's about a 1.37 return on investment. With strategy that I give you guys within the index trading course, you can do a lot better than 1.37%. So we're going to look for the next target opportunity, which of course is here based on the M15 that I showed you guys. So targeting this area here, very, very straightforward. That's about a 2.17% return on investment. That is a fantastic day and a fantastic trade trading the US 500 market, right? However, that is not quite my target. Right? So I know what you guys are here for. You guys are here to see why my target is down here within this area. And now I'm going to break it down to you guys. So if we go back to the M15 time frame, in order for me to understand where the market is going, I like to take advantage of manipulated ranges, right? The range that is manipulated, I like to understand where the standard deviations of that range is pointing towards, and then I will use that along with a couple of other confluences to figure out where I'm going to target. So if we measure this manipulated range really quickly, right, we can see that we have 1.5 standard deviations here. Okay, this target of 3978.20, all right, was a target from the previous video that we checked out. This trade right here for about 7.14%. If you have not checked out this breakdown, feel free to go ahead and check it out. A couple of gems dropped in that video as well. Just pay attention and take notes, right? That's going to be the previous video that was uploaded. Now, today, this session, right, we did have confluence here, about 1.5 standard deviations. However, you guys know that I like to target about 2 standard deviations, and that produced about 3.59% return on investment. Now, as you guys can see, we haven't quite hit our target yet. Within the next couple of M15 candles, I am looking for price to go ahead and push to the downside and hit our target. If you're not sure if price is going to hit this target, let me go ahead and turn on the price labels. All you have to do is come back to the charts. Right now, it is about 8 o'clock. Eastern Standard Time. This is the 8:15 candle that is just open, but as you guys can see, it is 2000 hours, which is 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is come back to the charts anytime after this. Today is Tuesday, the 17th of January, and look to see when price hits this target right here around 3971.5. We're just going to round that to 60. There we go. Make it a nice even number. And we're good to go, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very quick, very straightforward. If you guys have any questions about the mentorship program, like I said, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to join in on the Telegram community. All you have to do, click the link in the description, join in on the Telegram community. I look forward to seeing you guys there. And you definitely want to be a part. We're going to do giveaways throughout the week. As long as you are a part of the trading bot, then you are good to go for those giveaways. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.